I was born in Israel, in Tel Aviv, and I came here in 2001. I live in Sherman Oaks, and I just got married in August last year.
Wow.
And this is my wife, Vanessa, and this is Sunny and Kona. Why do we do what we do? Why do I choose that occupation? For me, it was kind of like a natural thing to, after living in Israel and being in the army, I learned naturally a few things about myself first, and then about other people around. What I learned about myself, that I think it's something to do with every one of us. We love and we have that need and the urge to help people. And serving in the military and being able to provide that for people around me actually make me feel complete, make me feel good. And when I moved here in 2001, I've been offered to work in different type of occupation. I tried a few things, but then when the locksmith arrived, that opportunity, I took it, and it just felt again complete, and it felt again good to help people and be able to be who I am. Now, I tried to work in a few different companies, and I got to see the industry that is in a big trouble, and people was going, companies, not even people, companies were going into to help people, and in the same time overcharge them. They would go into a lockout that would be normally about 75, 85 to unlock a door for somebody that locked himself out, and they would go out with hundreds of dollars, taking advantage of older people and taking advantage of people in many different ways. And that's why I came with this name of the company, Guardian Angel Locksmith, just to be trusted and to be stand for something bigger than who I am and who we are. And that's when I came up with that. And now, this is something that we thought and we wrote, and I want to read it to you. It's, we truly believe sharing our knowledge will inspire awareness and create the best informed decisions about your security. We do this by providing extraordinary service, resource, and product. We are not just locksmith, we are your security specialist. So many times people looking over us and say, hey, locksmiths, we usually cut keys, that's a key. No, this is something we do, yes, because we work on locks, we do a lot of other things like. Okay, one of the things that I promised that I'm going to do, it's showing you all what is a bump key and how is picking lock. It's so easy to any kid that can go today on YouTube and just browse over a bump key, and you can see how how kids today create the key. Actually, everyone here, in a way, have a key in their pockets, and that key can be turned into a bump key. A bump key, it's a key that all of you, again, have in your pocket. It's a regular key, a regular residential key. Now, that key, looking just like that, so if you take your key that you have in your pocket and you're going to file it all the way in, so it's look like that, that's going to create a bump key. What bump key do? Bump key do, you just take, this lock is right now, it's locked, okay? Nothing will turn it on. If I put it in, this is not the key. So I'm going to show you all. So this is how a bump key looks. And this is a lock that we unlocked. This is not the right key. So to bump the key, like I said, all we need to do. So right now it's locked, and all I'm going to do, it's not nice. Try to bring it here so everyone can see it. And That's it.
Whoa.
It's ridiculous. I'm going to do it again so you see how easy it is. Any kid can go to your door and do that. It's that easy. Now, I got you a sample here of most likely the lock that you have on your door. And I bought a high security lock to just show you the difference in the way it's built. So you can pass it around and see just the difference between a grade 3 regular lock to a high security lock. Okay, so some of the things we do, it's a high security locks, like the lock we're going to pass right now. And it's amazing how it's built. Knowing the mechanism inside out is just incredible. Nobody can bump it, nobody can pick it, at least not up to today. And that's what we really highly recommend. And other things that we do, except high security locks, it's we do security cameras. Everybody needs and everybody wants to see what's going on with his home, with his pets, in his business, and it's become something that everybody do. I mean, everybody have cell phones. It's just nice to browse to another application. Another thing that we do, it's very exciting actually to tell you about this product. It's a new intercom that just came out. So years ago it was very expensive to get an intercom system that you can see on your phone who is there. It used to be like $4,000 or $5,000 to install something like that. Right now, I just came out from a show in Vegas just last week, and they came up with a new product from Germany that it's affordable to everybody, and anybody can put that intercom on your door, and somebody can be anywhere. You can be at work, you can be in New York, and somebody will press. It's going to come to your phone, you're going to see who it is, and you're going to be able to open the door for them. And that easy, and so comfortable. I love it. I just installed it, and right now I'm testing it as far as how it's wireless without even running a wire. So that's another good thing. Another thing that we do, it's we have a showroom in Sherman Oaks where we present safes. We have different types of safes. There is fire safes, there is burglary and fire, there is just regular safes, there is a hidden safes. We have really nice safes that you can, it looks like a shelf, and only if you move, let's say, put under this remote, you put kind of like a token. You just put it above the shelf, whatever it is, then the shelf just opens. So nobody will be able to know there is a safe, but it's right there. Another type of safe, it's a safe that's going inside, looking like a AC, the one that sucked the air. So we have the driver put it in, and the same thing, we just put it in, and then it's dropped down. Nobody will know it's there. That's usually the best place to have a safe, where nobody knows it's there. And so I would love if you guys can come and ask other things, because we do it. We don't have enough time many times to talk about things we do. So I would be more than happy to answer any questions. And before, I wanted to say that in the beginning, but I'm going to say it right now. I want to say thank you to each and every one in this group, and take this opportunity to tell you thank you, because being a part of Latif and being part of this group means a lot to me, and it's kind of like a family. I earned good friends here, and I learned so much from you. I've been inspired by you. Coming here and listening to you and your business, I actually took a lot and adopted my business, and I grew up my business with you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is that all the time? 30 seconds. Oh, we got 30 seconds.
Okay, any questions? Yep. Yes.
I mean, I'm not going to sleep well tonight. What do you suggest? I've got 3 kids and by myself.
I suggest a good deadbolt on it. Or you don't need, some people want like 5 deadbolts, put that. No, 1 good deadbolt. That's all it's there. Nobody will be able to go past door unless you break the lock or break the door.
Thank you, Eli.
Thank you so much.